Hello. So last night I was scrolling on Shin Ikki Tousen on eBay. But mostly I do this like once in a while, every often, to look for the latest Ikki Tousen manga, volume 2 mostly. Because I already have volume 1 that came out. But when I scrolled down, like way, way, way down, because after this is all figures, um, it finally pops up. Shin Ikki Tousen volume 2. I check the website eBay like very often, so this had to be like very recent. So yeah, Shin Ikki Tousen 2. After I feel like a year, it finally got up. The manga got finally a release, another release. So and we're the first manga Shin Ikki Tousen. The one here at the top. Let me just do something. Um, Manga just shorter than a few. No, Um. Okay. So what I was saying. So now we're the first volume of Shin Ikki Tousen, where that left off was with Hakufu meeting or confronting a berserk Shinbu, who is this character right here, the front cover of the Shin Ikki Tousen Volume One, and I know some people have asked me before what happened to Ryumo. I hope in this next volume I can find out what happened to Ryumo. I know this gonna be a while before I get it though. Gonna be like few weeks. I did part one already, so it's gonna be this coming from Japan, as you can see here. Japan. All of these are from Japan. Japan. So um, I thought there more. Hold on. Now, and I would say right now there's not a lot of not a lot of copies of Shin Nikito's Volume 2 right now. Also, I think just recent. So if you want to buy a copy, I recommend buying it like kind of soon because there's not a lot, not a lot listings on eBay. I'm not sure about other websites, but on eBay there's not a lot. So yeah, and another a small update. I want to say that I'm waiting for the pre-order of a Shubo figure right here. So I'm pre-ordering this figure and from Ami of IkkiTousen, which I'm waiting for, which the date has been pushed back 2 times already. It was supposed to came out back in August, so now it's in November, and yeah, and I feel like in the mood to watch IkkiTousen, so I have Funimation here open, getting ready to watch IkkiTousen afterwards. We watch some IkkiTousen, probably an episode or two. So yeah, so that's the update. Just I want to talk about like what happened last night that the manga finally got update. So those who curious, I'll probably will do a video when I get the book and let you guys know, give you the preview of the book and let you know what's happening, the heads up of what's happening. So yeah, so that is Ikki Tousen here in the version of the cover. I believe it was Asaiman. I believe that was her name. It's been a while. I made a video about that. The characters, the new characters that was introduced. I'll probably link that video of talking about. I believe I was talking about the first volume of Shin Ikki Tousen. This one, just the law figures of Rio, and so I know I'm gonna link in the description a video which is I was talking about the first volume, Shin Ikki Tousen. There's just this one right here in the description, and so when I get the this book, the new one, I'll do a video on it and share what I find out. So yeah, so that's is it. That's the little update video for today. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you can't wait for what's happening and hope there's gonna be a new season. Hope I'm really excited if this have enough material to make a new season of IkkiTousen because that'd be awesome. Anyway, so that's is it. Thank you for watching and right. All right. Bye.